Why are task management tools important for remote work?
Task management tools help remote teams stay organized and connected. They allow you to assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress in one place. This reduces confusion, keeps everyone accountable, and makes collaboration easier, even when people are in different locations. Using these tools can boost productivity and help ensure that nothing important falls through the cracks.
What are popular task management apps for remote teams?
Some of the most widely used task management apps include Trello, Asana, Monday.com, and ClickUp. These platforms offer easy-to-use interfaces for creating, tracking, and prioritizing tasks. Each one provides different features, so choosing the right app depends on your team's needs, workflow preferences, and project complexity.
How can you organize tasks for team productivity?
To organize tasks effectively, break big projects into smaller, actionable steps. Use boards or lists to group similar tasks, assign responsibilities, and set clear deadlines. Prioritize tasks so everyone knows what needs attention first. Regularly update your task board and encourage team members to ask questions or request help when needed.
How do these tools improve communication?
Task management apps centralize communication about specific tasks or projects. Instead of searching through scattered emails or messages, team members can comment directly on tasks, mention each other, and share files. This keeps all project-related information in context, reducing misunderstandings and saving time for everyone.
What tips help remote teams succeed with task management apps?
Set up regular check-ins to review progress and update priorities. Keep task descriptions clear and concise. Use notifications wisely to avoid overwhelming your team. Encourage feedback and make adjustments as your workflow evolves. With consistent use, these habits will help your team stay focused, accountable, and connected while working remotely.